Hi, grade 12. Today we're going on to sinking funds. We're working from slides 10 to 13 from the finance PowerPoint. All right, so what are sinking funds? A sinking fund is basically what you need to save up for to make a difference of something, okay? For example, you buy a new car, all right? Now, as soon as you drive that car off the floor, it depreciates in value. Okay, so say you want to buy a new car in 6 years. What you bought that new car for now is not going to be the same value in 6 years' time. It's going to have depreciated. Okay, also, new cars have inflation. Okay, so their prices will go up. So, what you'll do is you'll trade in your old car for whatever book value it is, and you will offset it with the price of the new car. So you'll have a difference to pay. Okay. Now, normally what companies do is they plan ahead and they know that they're going to have to replace machinery in the next 10 years or whatever. So they set up a sinking fund. And in that sinking fund, they will pay monthly installments to make up that difference that they have to pay after the trade-in and minus the price from the new price of the equipment. And that is what a sinking fund is essentially. So if we look at the examples here, it's saying a transport company purchases a bus at a cost of 870,000 Rand. Depreciation on the bus is calculated at 18% per annum on a reducing balance. Calculate the book value of the bus after 6 years. Okay, so we're dealing with a depreciation here. So depreciation is A is equal to P 1 minus I to the power of N. And that is your reducing balance formula. Okay, so what we're going to do here is just fill in our APIN. Okay, so we want to find out what this accumulated amount is after the depreciation. We know what our principal amount is. It's 870,000 Rand. Our interest rate is 5%. 18%. And our time period is 6 years. Just plug these values into your formula. Okay, and if we put that on our calculator, we get the depreciated value to be 264,485 Rand and 80 cents. Okay, so that is the value of the bus after 6 years. Question B. Calculate the expected price of a new bus in 6 years' time if the annual inflation rate is forecast at 5%. So inflation is always worked out with compound interest. And if I put my APIN here, okay, so we want to find out what the accumulated amount is. The start-off price, the principal amount, would be 870,000. Our interest rate, they've told us now, is 5%, the inflation amount, and it's after 6 years. Plug that into our formula. Okay, use our calculator. And the value of the new bus will be 1,165,883 Rand and 21 cents. Okay. So our depreciated value for our bus that we own and the price of a new bus. Then question C. How much additional money would be required to purchase a new bus after 6 years if the old bus is sold for its book value. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to take this amount minus the depreciated amount. Okay, and if we put that on the calculator, we will get 901,397 Rand and 41 cents. So this is the extra money that this company needs to pay in. Okay, so question D is asking, the company sets up a sinking fund so that they will have sufficient funds to buy a new bus. Calculate the equal monthly payments that they will need to make into the fund if they start immediately and the last payment is made 1 month before the end. So there's that keyword, grade 12s. They're starting immediately and it's ending 1 month before. So we're going to use our future value in advance. Okay. It goes on to say that the fund earns 7% per annum compounded monthly. So I'm just going to go into a new page for this one. So we've got F equals, this is question D, sorry. F equals, now our future value that we want is this value over here. That's the amount that we want to save up for. So that's your 901,397 and 41 cents. X, we don't know. We want to find out what must these people's monthly payments be in order to save up that amount. Okay. Our I is equal to, just having a look here, 7%. So that's 7 over 100. And our N is equal to 6 years. Okay, we just need to convert this into a monthly rate. So we divide that by 12 and we times that one by 12. And we get here equals 7 over 12,000. 1,200, sorry. And then this one is 72. Okay, and we are going to use the future value in advance because it's starting immediately and ending 1 month before. Okay, fill in our values in here. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, grade 12s, is I'm going to work out this section over here. On the calculator, I will get an answer, and then I will say this 901,397 and 41 cents divided by whatever I got there, and we can solve for X. And if we do that, we get 10,051 Rand and 15 cents. So this company needs to pay in 10,051 Rand and 15 cents every month to make up this value in order to buy a new bus, because they're going to be trading in their old one, and then this would be the difference of the payment. Okay. Right, grade 12s, I would like you to do exercise 4.2, numbers 2, 5, 7, and 9, and then exercise 4.3, number 3 for me, please. Thank you.